Welcome to Science with Tristen and Jessie. My name is Tristen.
And my name is Jessie. What are we making today?
Today we will be making a pop rocks volcano. What materials will we need?
We will need the following: a volcano or a container that would resemble a volcano, pop rocks, soda, and dish soap.
First we will squirt a bit of dish soap in the volcano.
Next we will need to pour the soda almost to the rim.
Now we will need to add a handful of pop rocks to the volcano.
Pour the whole thing in. Just pour the whole thing.
Oh god.
Yeah. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Usual bust first. Usual bust first.
The pop rocks contain pressure carbon dioxide, which reacts with the soda, causing the volcano to erupt.
Thank you for joining us today.
This show has been hosted by A&M Digital Technologies.